Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate, and I am coming on today with another video. And today's video is going to be in regards to the ScrapBin collaboration. It was a series of 6 videos for 6 weeks. We had a break in between the first 3 videos. This is the 5th week, and we will have another one next week. Hopefully Saturday I will post it up. I do apologize, I haven't been posting them on Saturdays as we were supposed to, but here's my video today. And I just wanted to show you really quick what I did for a lot of the scraps that I have. Some of them are like this, and some of them are like this, and some of them are this big. Anyways, so for the strips, sometimes I actually like the strips and I like to keep them. So these are the strips, and I will make little bows out of them, but I already have so many bows that I've made with them that I wanted to do something different. So all these strips that I have right here, like this, what I did is I got a sheet of paper, either this size, blank sheet of paper, or a 4x6 index card. I do apologize if I'm too up close. And what I did, I just went ahead and stripped them row by row, such as this, and this is what I came up with. Now I did cut all these to different sizes. These are, I believe, let me see, I apologize, let's see, 1.5 or 2 by 3s. Okay, and this is the same, and my intention for these are to put them, I do apologize, I have to clean it up, but to put them on my memory dex cards and insert them like this, so that way there's a nice feature back here, okay, and just put all my information in the front. So that's how I intend to use some of these. And that's my memory dex card right there. Others, here you go, these are some of the ones I've made. And then others, such as these, I intend to use for my pocket letters. I haven't made pocket letters in a while, so I do intend to make some pocket letters and use these for that. And that's another one I made. And like I said, these are all the strips from the top of the paper pads. So that's how I am doing these. And this is just another stack, and this is all the same color. These are leftover scraps from my son's Christmas French fries boxes that I made, and I just went ahead and I had a lot of strips. I somehow don't feel good to throw paper away, just to throw it away. So this is what I came up with. So I thought it was awesome. Now the adhesive that I used, I wanted to show you. I saw the Push Paper lady, she was gonna do basically a review of certain glues, of different glues, and this is one of them that she showed, and I decided to buy it. I wanted to try it out, and I love it. It is almost the same as the art glitter glue. This one was $4.99 at Amazon, and it is 4 ounces, and it says it glues glass, cardboard, PVC, ceramic, wood, and plastic. And so far I've used it on paper, and it glues so nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna switch over from the art glitter glue, which is a little bit more pricey, from $8 to $10 for a 4 ounce, to this kind. Really good. Anyways, thank you guys, everybody, for taking the time to watch this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for your continuous support, and we will see you guys on our next video. So you guys have an awesome day. Thank you.